Recording in progress.
Sorry? And modules. One second. And modules.
Applications and modules.
For every scoped application, we can create the tables. We can create the tables. We can create the tables and add the modules as well. And add the modules as well. Modules as well. Okay. See, application modules means whatever we are working right now is comes under the global application. See, can go for settings, go for developer. Here application is there. Show application begin header means it will show in the top here. Okay, see, whatever these all are the applications, scoped applications. We can call as the scoped applications. See, currently we are working everything comes under the global application. Okay, under this global application, we can create the so many tables, design the fields and sections. Okay, design the forms, everything. Okay, multiple tables you can create. So multiple forms you can design. Everything we can comes under the global application. Like the same way, we can design the based on our business perspective. Based on our business perspective, so we can create the scoped application. Under the scoped application, we can design the tables, everything. Suppose assume that I will create one scoped application name as the Reliance Industries. Okay, under Reliance Industries, I will design the forms. I will create the tables. One table is belongs to some geo level, Reliance Geo. One table is belongs to Reliance petrol level. Okay, one form, one table. Table is nothing but the form. Okay, and the form is belongs to some other industry. Like that, some Reliance textile industry. Like that. Okay, so like this, we can design the one scope application. We can design the multiple forms. For that multiple forms, we can apply the EY policy, SLS, everything. Notifications, everything. Screen is not visible. Guys, who are not visible the screen, create the scope application. Under scope application, we can design the table, sections, everything. Create the forms, everything. Okay. So how can we design the scope application? How, see, under global application, this incident problem, and we can create some custom applications, everything is there. Like the same way, we can create one scope application. For that scope application also, we can design the fields, everything. Okay, but what are the differences of the global application, scoped application? Now we can see it here. Okay, so first, how can you design a scoped application? Means type left navigation the studio. Okay, under system application, click on studio. Okay, create new application. Okay, enter the application name. Suppose I'm giving as the Reliance Industries. Okay, describe the description. Okay, see, this is the role it is created. It's a scope or global. You need to create this one global application or scope. So what are the things we created? Those things comes under the scope application. Okay, if you want to put like this means you can put that one. This is a role. Okay, x underscore 74443 underscore Reliance. This is the role name. Okay, just you can create it. Okay, so I need to search the which role you need to give. So this access I'm giving the admin role. Okay, mobile classic. We are using the classic level. We didn't use the mobile right now. Means mobile application. In mobile also Servicenow is there, guys. You need to install app and you can sign in with your credentials. It will be work. You can check it that one as well. Okay. So if you want to add any existing tables here, okay. So nothing means create a new table. Create a table from scratch. Continue it. If you want to add a fields means here only you can add it. Okay. So suppose I'm giving as a employee name string location reference cmn underscore location. Locations are stored in cmn underscore location table. Joining date giving as a date enter. Bus. So just I create. If you want to give the table name, you can give the table name. So I'm giving as a just Reliance Geo. So giving as a make extensible auto number something. Continue it. Start. If you want to give the so this access needs to give admin, you can give the admin. Create it. Done with apps. Now our app is created. Our scope application is created. Now jump into our Servicenow instance. Refresh it. See, the Reliance Industries app is created. Okay, the default update set also it will be captured. The default update set also it is created. The name should be a default. If you want to create new update segments, you can create a new update set. Okay, now open that form, whatever we create. See, Reliance Geo. See, member joined, everything is created. Okay. Suppose now I create one UI policy or notification, anything, ACL, something. Okay. Suppose I will go with UI policy. So I'm making joining data as a mandatory. New. See, I create a UI policy. I make this field as a mandatory. Okay. Now I open this UI policy. Okay. Now I change the name to global application. See, the UI policy can't edit here because of, so whatever the UI policy or anything, we can create the particular application. That application you can select that. We can select that application only. Then only you can able to edit or update it. See, this record is in Reliance Industries application, but global is the current application. To edit this record, click here. So must and should need to select the particular Reliance application, industries application only. Then only the UI policy should be edited. Otherwise, nothing is there. See, I didn't create is a new option is also not there. Update, nothing is there here. See, Reliance Industries. See now. See, now I'm able to run this activity. See, now we can create any tables. We can create hundreds of tables and can design the hundreds of forms. Okay, comes under, we can create multiple things, guys, under one scope application. Like this way, we can create multiple scope applications, not only a 10, 20, and 30. Unlimited scope applications, you can design unlimited tables, you can design. Okay, nothing is there here. Now, suppose how you can create the module means, suppose go for the Reliance. See, create new all this Reliance 0. These all are the modules. How can you create the modules means? So this is the application. So starting whatever things are visible, it is application. Click on here, edit application. Okay. Come down. See here already 3 modules, default modules is created. Okay. For new record. So create new. So I open the incident or problem. Create new option is there. Right? So that is comes under the, I'll open this one. So based on the link type only the module is there, guys. Come down. See, link type is there. See, type should be new record is there. So that's why the new record module is visible here. Create new. Okay. Now we can design the multiple modules. How can we design? You can go here. creating the new. Joining date records. Okay, just you can give the join date records. I'm giving order as a 3. Okay, link types will be list of records. You can give. List of records means multiple records. When I click on the all, these all are the list view, means all the records will be shown here. Now come down. So joining date. So what are the records should be joining date? That records I need to show here. Okay. Otherwise, you can go for the location wise. Go for the joining date, no issues. Okay. So table you can give x underscore geo. So here we can add the filter condition. I'm giving joining date is not empty. I'm giving. Okay, is not empty. That records I need to show the every record. Submit. Come down. Okay, see model is created here. You can create another model. So now you can go for the location wise. I need to show the location should be India records only. Let's see. It should be there or not. Location is location search it here. I need to show the related fields. Means location related fields. So I need to go for the location fields should be country. Country is I'm giving as a India. I need to show the so what are the records are there? Country with India, that records only I need to show. Country India. Just I'm giving as a 4. This submit it. Okay. And create another one. Okay. Next. Reliance Geo website. So when I click on this model, I need to open the website. Okay. So just you need to give the URL here. So I'm giving as the So whatever URL you can provide, the URL will display. You take any URL something, for example. Okay, I'm copying this one. Just I'm giving some window name here. Okay, just submit it. See, like this way I'm designing the modules, everything here. If you want a report means you can go for the create the report as well. For that purpose, you can create one other model. Just I'm giving as a name as a report. So 27 and run a report. Just for testing purpose, this I'm giving the one report. Okay, so this report topic I will explain you guys. After completion of scripting, we can jump into the reports and important this one is just I'm giving one normal sample report. Okay, so here I will change this all to, so we can go with this one as a 7 and this one as a 6. Okay, see now how the thing should be visible. If you want to create new means new record will be open. I'm creating one record. See, joining date record. See, so joining date is not empty. Okay, that record will be visible. See here. See country India. See country India records and it should be visible. So location we select the previous one. So previous one we select the location should be some another country, not is India. Suppose if you want to select the new record, come down and you can select the joining date, this one, and you can go with the India. Okay, I'm giving as a Hyderabad location. Just you can give the employee name, submit it. So if you want to means, now the record is visible. See, previous empty is there, only one record is there. Coming to joining date records, 2 is there. Country should be India. Okay, filter condition. It will take the exact filter condition. See, India record only is visible. Suppose I'm closing this browser. I think I'm closing here. Okay. Let's Geo website. If you want to click on this one, see whatever the URL you can provide, that URL will be visible here. See. When you click on this one, right, you'll go for the website. If you want to report means, so control and press the mouse. Open on the tab, the report is shown here. See. And this report is also created under the global application. So that's why we can't able to edit. It will be shown, but we can't able to edit. See. See. This report is there. Okay. If you want to create all records, means all records will be visible. Okay. This is the so like this way we can design the application, scope application, and the scope application can create the module. So we can create another table. Under the tables, we can design the modules for every type here. Okay, understand? Any doubts are there up to here?
Yes, Pandu, actually, by using ACLs, we can restrict the fields now.
We can restrict the
Fields, like
Yeah.
UA pulses.
by using UI policies or ACLs.
ACLs, by using ACLs, we can restrict the fields.
Yeah, we
Can
can
we-
restrict the fields. Yes. Suppose yesterday I told you, right? Yesterday we restrict the total table level. If you want to restrict the only for the fields means, we can create a new ACL and give the particular operation. So restrict the fields means, suppose if you want to hide the field, give the read operation. If you want to field make as a read only, you can give the edit operation.
Okay.
We can restrict it and select the particular field there.
What's the difference between ACLs and the UI pulses?
See, ACL should be restrict the total role level,
Okay.
but UI policy will be hide the field only for all the people. Okay, you can use the script also. We can use it by using the UI policy script also for particular role people only. You can make field as a read only. That one also we can use it.
Okay.
Okay, but ACL should be not only a role level. It should be applied for particular filter conditions as well.
Okay.
Okay, that is the main difference. And most of all, we can read the field as a read only, or we need to hide the field means we can go through the UI policy or client scripts. For ACLs, so we cannot go because it will run the late process. So first it should be run the one field I make as a read only, or one field make as a read only or hide means you can use the UI policy, we can use the ACL, we can use the client script. Okay, but first should be run as the client script, second for the UI policy only. So that's why all the people the maximum Servicenow prefer to the we can make field as mandatory or read only or visible. We can go for the UI policy, either client script.
And one more thing, Bandu, if there are two users now, there are in a table there are 5 fields, but I want to restrict one person. He can only visible to three fields only.
Okay.
If there are two users like some X and Y, I want to restrict the X person. He can't able to the see 3 fields. Sorry. There, if there are 5 fields
Wait.
form,
Okay, don't be panic. Okay, please explain clearly.
Okay. ఒక ఫామ్ లో 5 ఫీల్డ్స్ ఉన్నాయి అనుకోండి, ఎక్స్
Okay.
అండ్ వై పర్సన్స్ ని ఒక ఎక్స్ పర్సన్ 3 ఫీల్డ్స్ మాత్రమే అంటే చూడడానికి నేను అలౌ చేస్తాను, లేదా వై పర్సన్ కి
Yes, that is possible. Okay, so
How
you
can
asking
we
the
do-
doubt. Suppose in the form 5 fields are there. Okay, so X person will be able to visible only for the 3 fields on the form.
Okay.
Y person will be visible all the 5 fields on the form.
Yes.
Okay, so for X person you need to visible 3 fields on the form means, so what can you do means, for X person one role is there.
If the 2 persons have same roles, so we can't do, no?
No, you need to create a new role. For the creation of new role, we need to raise a request. That request needs to approve our manager, because of role is, so we can create any role in Servicenow. For existing or new role, some amount is there, some dollars, either $1, $2 or 8. Maximum we need to create the role means we need to pay to the service for the $8 rupees. I think I saw that 5 years back. So we created some new roles, couple of roles. We pay the Servicenow people for $8 for each role. Okay, must and should we need to take the permissions for the creation of the role. We need to create a new role. Okay, the manager approves, we need to create a new role. That role we can give the ACL and we can create the fields. So for ACL, apply the table, we can give the table name and side field is there. We can select the particular field. The field will be visible only for that role people only.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Pandu.
Yeah. Role level only it is possible.
Okay, Pandu.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. So these are the admin topics is completed, guys. So successfully we have completed the admin. Any doubts is there related to admin things, you can ask me.
Pandu, under
Hello.
this website module, so I wanted to add some more websites. So is it, I mean to say, I wanted to add some more URLs. Is it possible?
Yeah, you can create another module and you can add it.
No, under Reliance Jio website only, I wanted to
No,
add
it is not. How can you can add more websites?
for
It
each and
will be-
for each
Yeah,
and every URL, we
yes.
should be having a separate
Yes,
module
yes,
here.
yes, yes,
Okay.
yes. So when I click on this one, it will be open the particular. So multiple URLs. The browser can't open, right? How can we see that window?
Okay.
Yeah.
Got it.
Pandu, one more thing. ఒక ఫీల్డ్ కానీ టేబుల్ కానీ మనము ఏసీఎల్ లేదా యూఐ పాలసీస్ రెండింటిని బట్టి రిస్ట్రిక్ట్ చేసామనుకోండి, ఫస్ట్ ఏది ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతుంది?
UI policy. First will execute UI policy.
Okay.
Okay. So next week, whenever you enter into the scripting, first topic we start the client scripts. So by using client scripts also we can make field as a mandatory read only, everything is there. But I will tell you what the difference of UI policy, client scripts, why we can prefer the client scripts, second why for the UI policy I will tell you. So by using scripting also we can field make as a mandatory read only, everything.
Hello, Pandu.
Yeah.
Okay, Pandu, thank you.
What is the difference between scoped application and global application?
See, scoped application means based on our business perspective, we can create one application. All our business related data will be stored in that application.
Okay.
Global application means globally, means everything will be there in the global application only.
Okay. What my doubt is, under global application only, we can create our business module, right?
You can create it, no issues.
Then what is the use
Wait,
of?
under global application, so many business modules is there.
Okay.
But I need total only for my business data only need to show that one. Only my business data only able to edit the things. Suppose I shown you one UI policy. Okay. I see global application people also will be able to submit this record. Nothing restriction is there. But coming to configuration and customization, you can create any UI policy, you can create any fields. Okay. So we can go for the global application. Means we can suppose under global application, I created the Reliance Jio. Assume that, not for the global application. Okay. So I'm able to edit the record. I remove the record. I can add the new field. Okay. I can make field as a mandatory, everything. But comes under the Reliance scope application level. Okay. Under Reliance scope application level, I can create the some tables and modules, everything. Okay. So for this, under this scope application, I'm able to edit the fields. I'm able to create new fields.
Okay. That means those people who are associated with Reliance only able to create,
Yes.
edit, and everything.
Yes. Yes.
One more thing, if you create a separate application here, is
Yeah.
it visible to everyone, visible in everyone's personal instance or only in your personal instance?
No. My personal instance should be visible.
Under global, if you create
anything also, I created my personal instance.
Yeah.
So in my personal instance, you have the user account.
Yes.
Now you can able to visible it, but you have some separate instances there. Okay. Your instance can't be visible.
Okay.
Suppose Cognizant is the Wipro is their boss. Cognizant have the Servicenow instance, Wipro has the Servicenow instance. Cognizant data will be visible to the Wipro instance? No. That is so their perspective, they will purchase the instance. So him perspective, so from here also Cognizant perspective, Cognizant purchase the instance.
Okay. If I am a user in your instance, then after initially it will be in global application, right?
Yeah.
If I want to edit, can I change it to Reliance?
Yeah.
And then,
Yeah. You can change it, but you need the admin role.
Yeah, depending upon roles.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Guys, more questions? because of right now the admin is completed. Tomorrow onwards we jump into the scripting. Suppose if you have any doubts in admin means, again you can ask me, no issues.
Okay, Pat.
Can we create table through App Engine Studio instead of Servicenow Studio? Yeah, we can create it. But App Engine Studio is some different level. You can use the mobile level, everything. So that's why we are going for the Servicenow Studio only. Okay, for this one we need to take some permissions, those things. Okay. Yeah. Okay, guys. So this is the short topic today. So everything is completed. So far you can complete the admin part. So tomorrow onwards jump into the scripting. Okay. So please be practice. Any doubts is there, you can ping me. Okay. Thank you,
Okay,
guys.
Pandu. Thank you.
Okay, Pat. Thank you.
Yeah.